Hello, myself Swara Ajit Sinde from T.Y Phylum Annelida. There are some general characteristics of Annelida. In order of the animal evolution, annelids evolved as a first coelomate organism that are triploblastic and metamerically segmented. These are mostly aquatic, some are terrestrial, while yet others burrowing. Body is tuberculous, elongated, covered with a thin soft cuticle that is non-chitinous. True coelom or the body, the cavity lies between the body wall and the tubular foot canal is filled with the coelomic fluid. The body is bilaterally symmetrical and body plan may best described as a tube within the tube. The body cavity is divided by the septum into many chambers. Locomotory organs are present in the form of epidermal chitinous bristles called seta or chitia. The nervous system is well developed, represented by the subpharyngeal ganglia and double ventral sensory organ and taste buds, photoreceptor cells, cytocyst and textile cell. The digestive system is complete, more or less straight running from the mouth to anus. The digestion is extracellular. Respiration is in most annelids takes place through the body surface. Some respire through the gills of parapodia and the head. The vascular system is developed and it is closed type with the dorsal and ventral longitudinal vessels connected by the smaller vessels. Excretion takes place through the nephridia. Some animals can be hermaphrodite while in other sexes are separate. There are two classes, Oligochaeta and Hirudina. In class Oligochaeta, the example is the earthworm, and in the class Hirudina is the leech. Class Oligochaeta. General characteristics are there are about 3,500 species of Oligochaeta, which also includes earthworm, mostly terrestrial organism with some freshwater forms. The body is streamlined with the well-developed segmentation. A simple prostomium is present without any sensory organs such as eyes and tentacles. These animals are often categorized as clitelia because of the presence of clitelium. Locomotory organs such as parapodia and chiria are absent. Respiration takes place through the moist body surface as no respiratory organ is present except in the few species that possesses the gills. Excretion takes place through the metamerically located metanephridia. The brain is of simple gangulated type with the ventral nerve cord. Many species demonstrate a high degree of regeneration capacity in the fragment possessing clitelium. A sexual reproduction commonly is seen in some freshwater forms by transverse division in the adult body. Most hermaphrodite but crosses fertilization are preferred and occurs externally. Development from the embryo to the adult is direct without any larval form in the life cycle and takes place in the cocoon secreted by the clitelium. Example, Ferritima, that is earthworm. There are about 6,000 species of earthworm worldwide. They are terrestrial organisms living in burrows in the moist soil. They exhibit nocturnal behavior. These are seen in the large numbers crawling on the ground during the rainy season, especially after a heavy rainfall. Tube-shaped segmented, there are tube-shaped, segmented and cylindrical, elongated body of earthworm, measures about 150 mm in length and 3 to 5 mm in width. Brown or clay color body is darker on dorsal surface than ventral surface. Body has about 100 to 120 segments, all without parapodia. Due to the presence of clitelium, body is divided into pericelylar clitelium and postcliteria regions. A distinct head, eye and tentacles are absent. Anterior most segment is buccal segment or prostomium bearing terminal crescentic mouth. Respiration takes place through their moist skin. Nervous system is simple and gangulated. Although earthworms are hermaphrodite, they undergo copulation for exchange spermatozoa. Fertilization is internal but development takes place in cocoon. Male genital pore is present in the 18th segment, one on each side, whereas female genital pore is single median opening is present in the 14th segment. This is a photo of the brown color earthworm. And this is a clay color earthworm, mostly found in the mud. And it is the anatomy of the earthworm. Thank you.